Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to easily link your Visa card or MasterCard into your WeChat account for easy WeChat Pay wallet funding. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, or pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and make sure I click on my WeChat app right here. So WeChat app. Then after you open up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your Me icon. So simply click on that icon. Then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do right here is to click on Pay and Services. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Wallet. Then it's going to take you right here. At this point here, click on Add Cards. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Add a Card. Then you have it right here. So the very first thing you want to do right here is to make sure you enter the card number right here manually. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter card number manually. After enter your card manually, automatically it's going to show you the type of card you just enter. Just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Agree. Just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Agree and Add. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Here you will need to enter your payment password. So I'm going to simply go ahead and enter my payment password. Then allow it to load. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you will need to enter the card validity month and year. Click on the select month and year right here. Then choose the month and the year right here. Then once you select the month and the year, hit on OK. The next thing you need to do is to enter the security code, the 3-digit CVV number at the back of the card. So enter the security code right here. Having entered the security code, next thing you want to do is to click on Next. Then simply click on Next. So right here, you will need to verify with your bank card, with your token card right here. So what we want to do here is the next thing we want to do right here is to select OTP SMS or a token. So I'm going to select OTP SMS. Having select OTP SMS, then I'll click on Continue. Then wait for the bank to send the OTP. to authorize the payment. Once you get the OTP, copy it. Then click on here, paste the OTP right here and click on submit. Card has been added successful after the verify, so you can see it right here. Now I can simply click on here I can simply click on done right here. Done. So just like what you see right here, so the card has been successfully added to my WeChat wallet right here. So from here, I can easily top up my WeChat Pay account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet or Alipay account, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.